Welcome back to the BK42 channel. I've been using the ADO A20F for 30 days, and this is a quick update for this bike. Fortunately, in this short amount of time I have nothing to complain about the ADO A20F. To start, I want to say something about the cruise control. That's the part I love the most in this bike. It makes my rides very comfortable and enjoyable. The saddle is quite hard to me, so I decided to get a new one. I'm still waiting for that. It's bigger and comfortable. The front fork was loose and shaking a bit, so I had to adjust it. If you have the tools you need, this is pretty easy to do. If not, you can take it to any bike shop and they will fix it really fast. I also had to adjust the brakes a bit, which is okay, I was expecting that. The pads adapt to use. I want to use the bike in the winter, so I installed a rear fender. I actually use a front aluminum fender I had laying down at home as the rear fender. It looks much better to me, I like short fenders. The battery and all electronic components are still working like new. There are no chains or problems with them. For my surprise, I'm really happy with the mechanical brakes. They are strong enough to stop the bike quickly. If there is one thing I would upgrade in this bike, is the battery. I would get a bigger battery. So to wrap up, I'm still very happy with the ADO A20F E-Bike. And the more I ride it, the more I love it. If you have any questions about the A20F, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It is very helpful for the channel. Cheers!